Imagine this for a moment. An iron pillar, standing outside, under sun, rain, wind, pollution, for more than 1,600 years. And yet, not rusted, not cracked, not fallen, still standing. Right there, in front of you. This is the Iron Pillar of Delhi. It was built in the Gupta Era, around the 4th or 5th century, long before stainless steel, long before corrosion science, long before modern laboratories. So let me ask you something. Why hasn't it decayed? Why hasn't it collapsed? Why is it still here? For centuries, people had only one answer. It must be magic. It must be a miracle. It must be some mystery. But then, science stepped in. And what it revealed is even more incredible. This pillar is made from wrought iron, about 98% pure. Almost no sulfur, almost no manganese. But here's the real secret. Ancient Indian metallurgists carefully added phosphorus, about 1%, from specially chosen ores. And that tiny decision changed everything. Because when this iron met air and moisture, it formed a layer so thin, only a few microns. You can't see it, you can't feel it, but it's there, protecting the metal. Scientists call it Misawite, a natural shield. It seals the surface, blocks oxygen, blocks water, stops rust before it even begins. Now listen carefully. Even today, one of the greatest structures on Earth, the Eiffel Tower, needs nearly 60 tons of paint every 7 years just to stop it from rusting away. Think about that. Modern steel, modern technology, constant maintenance. And yet, this pillar, 1,600 years. No paint, no coatings, no chemicals, just knowledge, just precision, just ancient chemistry. Now listen to this. This pillar weighs more than 6 tons. It stands 7 meters tall. And it wasn't cast. It wasn't poured into a mold. No, it was hammer forged. Huge chunks of hot iron, welded together, layer by layer, strike by strike. They kept the metal hot enough to bond, but never hot enough to melt. For hours, for days, without thermometers, without sensors, without machines. One mistake, and everything would fail. But it didn't, because this wasn't luck. This was engineering, this was metallurgy. This was generations of knowledge, passed down by hand. Even today, scientists around the world study this pillar, trying to copy it, trying to recreate it, trying to understand how ancient hands did what modern labs still struggle with. So why does this matter? Because it proves something powerful. Ancient India mastered material science, not with computers, not with supercomputers, not with AI, but with discipline, with observation, with respect for process. Every hammer strike carried centuries of wisdom. Every layer carried experience. This pillar isn't just metal. It's knowledge, frozen in iron. It's a message across time. It tells us, you don't need the most advanced machines to achieve excellence. You need patience, honesty, dedication, and mastery. And that's why, after 16 centuries, it still stands. Not as a relic, not as a tourist attraction, but as proof. Proof of what human skill can achieve. So tell me, what ancient engineering marvels you the most? Share it below. If this video resonated with you, please support this work. Subscribe, like, share, and leave your voice below. This channel explores what connects science and Sanatan. Join the journey.